Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Awesome.
You're crazy. You are.
Northbound, you'll see a jam exit 12 into exit 14. New Jersey, no delays on the GWB either level. Lincoln Tunnel looks good. Holland Tunnel, 5 to 10 minutes coming in from the Turnpike. Now a 15 to 20 minute delay though coming in from routes 1 and 9. I'm Brendan Joseph, New Jersey traffic north.
Joe Byron, New Jersey traffic south. It is a little tough at 290. There is.
Yo, what? Oh, he cut him right the f off. That's what happened.
Dumbass! Really? Are you kidding me? Go! Fuck dumbass! I knew you were gonna wait till I started coming through. Are you kidding? Go! Move! My God!
Shelton, pour me a drink, Bobby's on show.
Dick! I don't know where you think you're gonna go.
Back out of double tap, get him smacked, turn around, give his brother down. G block cut though, where they thinking that? It's a few rappers I'm playing, did you do this? All the fans in the blog need to study that. Super Saiyan from the back, I go cool. She a ratchet ass bitch, put her on loose. I'm a player, I run through the whole.
Bueno, pero no me ha respondido lo que le pregunté. ¿Qué opinó?
¡Estúpidos!
Years is creating AI porn with women he knew from college, possibly his coworkers, etc. I am betrayed, humiliated, and disgusted. I can't believe these measures over the safety, privacy, dignity of unsuspecting women who are not consenting.
What the fuck? Are you okay? You're good? Oh my God. That's the second time, bitch! What the fuck? You have a foot.
Then you turn the signal on after the fact. I hate people do that. It's literally a cost for...
Orders to keep humans away from whatever is happening over there. I don't think they spotted me or my squires, though. Things easy considered, spending some time watching the heavenly ones.
What was that? What was that?
Jane. Although I wonder if you guys had no insulation in the attic whatsoever. Oh, you're a douchebag.
Well, yeah, he's a Cybertruck. Just go straight. Yeah.
What the f, dude? Dumbass bitch. What are you looking at? Hi, bitch. I see you. Ugly bitch. I see you. Shut the f up. Shut the f up. Shut the f up, bitch. I don't give a f. Shut the f up and move, bitch. Dumbass bitch. The f my way. Move, you dumb bitch. Dumbass bitch. I got you on camera, you stupid hoe.
In the booth. I had to get on my hands and knees up under the table, all the way up under the table. Son of a bitch!
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Did you take me a picture of him here? Who? Ava. I did not. Bruh.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.